Hello everyone. We hope all of you are keeping well. And by the way, the recipe that we are going to share today is abundantly healthy, extremely simple, and most importantly, very tasty. In our Konkani language, we call this as Chane Usli. Chane is nothing but black chickpeas. This is usually prepared in the occasions of pujas as prasadam. Without any further ado, let us get cooking and learn this recipe. And by the way, welcome to our channel Uru Uta Upahara. If you are here for the first time, do consider subscribing to our channel and clicking that bell icon to stay connected with all our recipes. To prepare this tasty and healthy recipe of Chane Usli, the first step in the process is to soak half a cup or 120 grams of black chickpeas overnight. And the next morning, it is time to transfer the chickpeas into a pressure cooker and add a little bit of our king of taste, Mr. Salt. And then it is time to pressure cook this for about a whistle in the pressure cooker. While the chickpeas are being cooked, let us prepare an important mixture, or rather a paste for the recipe. And for that, let us take about 4 green chillies, break them in a mortar and then smash them thoroughly. While we smashed the chilies and prepared a smooth mixture, our chickpeas are perfectly cooked. And it is time to drain the water from the chickpeas. Please don't throw away the water that has been drained, because this water contains a lot of flavor and can be used to prepare a delicious rasam. And we will definitely share the recipe of this rasam soon. But before that, let us take a pan and heat about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in it. Once the added oil is hot enough, it is time to add our first ingredient to the tempering, and that is our usual suspect, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. While the added mustard starts to splutter, the next in the list for our tempering is 1 teaspoon of chana dal. The last dry ingredient for our tempering is half a teaspoon of urad dal. Let us add the urad dal, roast these ingredients on a low flame till the urad dal turns golden in color. Once it turns golden in color, the next in the list is again our usual suspect, curry leaves. Let us add the curry leaves and roast them till they are crunchy. Once they are crunchy, the next goes the smashed chilies. After adding the smashed chilies, let us give it all a good mix before adding a little bit of salt to this mixture. After salt comes 1/4 teaspoon of our fragrant king, that is asafoetida. Let us add the asafoetida, give this all a good and a thorough mix before adding our main ingredient, that is black chickpeas. Let us add the boiled black chickpeas, mix this well, and then cover the lid and cook this for about 10 minutes on a low flame. After about 10 minutes, it is time to garnish our Chane Usli with about 50 grams of freshly grated coconut. Once we have added the grated coconut, the last ingredient that has to be added is about 1 tablespoon of sugar. Let us add the sugar, give this all a good mix, cover the lid, and that's it, my dear friends. Our extremely simple, abundantly healthy, and very tasty Chane Usli is ready. The same recipe can be prepared with white chickpeas or Kabuli chana. And by the way, we hope that you have liked this recipe. If you like it, please prepare this at your homes and don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. Let us meet again soon Until then, celebrate life, celebrate cooking, and have fun wherever you are.